Every job with Southern California Painter starts with a firm handshake and a friendly smile. During your free estimate, we will go over every aspect of your project and answer any questions you may have. After accepting the proposal, the work will commence. Prep being the most important aspect of the job, we like to focus on things like power washing to remove dirt and debris, scraping and sanding to remove loose or flaking paint, patching or caulking to seal seams, joints, or wood rot, repairing damage to stucco surfaces by patching cracks, skim coating over loose, crumbly areas, and matching desired texture. Once the prep work is completed, it's time to mask off the surrounding surfaces to get ready for painting. This can be achieved by plastic, masking paper, or rosin paper. Now it's time to let some paint fly, bringing the color of your dreams to life. Depending on the surface material, this can be achieved by spraying, brushing, or rolling. Most wood siding, windows, doors, and trim will be sprayed. Stucco is painted using a technique where the surface is back-rolled to help fill in the porous surfaces, which further enhances the coverage and physical appearance. When all of the work is completed, it's time to stand back and be amazed. And to think this all started with a vision and a simple phone call to Southern California Painter. It's that easy. Schedule your free estimate today